Hi friends, this video shows how to recharge this Qubo inflator using mobile charger. So here you can see two USB ports. This is normal USB port. This is USB output port. So we can use this port to recharge mobile phone using this inflator. This inflator will act as power bank. And here you can see USB Type C port. So we can use this port to recharge this Qubo inflator. So we can use mobile charger. This is the USB Type C cable from mobile charger. So we can connect this cable here. So before I connect, so let me go to the front side. So I am going to connect here. See, now this is charging. So this way we can recharge this inflator using mobile charger. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.